coming to the line, Mr. Lauren Hatfield from ABF Freight Systems. 14 years with the company, he's got 22 years in the industry. Over 2 million lifetime safe driving miles. Lauren's been competing since 2004 over every division, twins, flatbed, tanker.
Oh my goodness.
Please make welcome Lauren Hatfield, ABF Freight Systems.
See you. Hey, Blondie.
Oh, she broke it. Oh, you broke the camera.
No, I was trying to take it too fast. Okay, now you look at it. Look at me. All right, perfect. Uh-oh. Otto's famous. Lauren's doing thanks.
Never get out. What's that done to me? I don't even think about it.
All right, on the line we got number 68, Mr. James Sanders from FedEx. Got 20 years at FedEx, 35 years in the industry, over 3 million miles. Placed first place in 1993 at the Tennessee TDC, third place in 94. Been driving over 35 years, Mr. James Sanders with FedEx.
Here you go.
I don't care.
All right, as promised, we do have the last few of our raffles to give away. So if you got your raffle tickets handy, let's get those out and we'll see if anybody is a winner. First ticket is going to be 139376. 139376.
You got any tickets?
Yeah, I gave them all.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, our second number is going to be 139375. 139375. Ticket number 139375. Go claim your prize.
What was the number?
All right, ticket number 139216. 139216. All right, ticket number 139373 is next. 139373.
Give us a paddle.
All right, coming to the line, we got contestant number 62. Mr. William Brown from FedEx. Been driving with the company for 10 years, got 35 years experience.